Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So how to remove your background and how to change your background, just a one click. This is remove bug, and click to upload. Firstly you upload your photo, upload. Now this is uploading, and now firstly this is crop, and click to edit. Have a different backgrounds, so you click, automatically change. If you want to blur, light blur, dark blur, so you select like this. Different backgrounds. If you want to just upload and change, if you want to edit, and just one click and change background. Okay. And if you want to don't like this background, you can upload one more, download and from online, and upload from here, and no background, this is like this. Okay. And like if you want to zoom out, zoom in also, and if you want to color, so light, dark, and all. Okay.